like 2, 3 o'clock and I'm in bed. Today is, what did it say? December 5th. So, yeah. I'm gonna get up in a little bit after I watch Lost some, and me and the girls gonna do some activities. So I'll holler at y'all. We'll holler at y'all in a little bit. Breaking Ground is a nonprofit organization that provides resources, raises awareness, and provides support regarding mental health issues in the African American communities. We do that through various programs such as inmate minority mental health checks, community outreach, referral to resources, and in-house therapies at little to no cost to our participants.
To speak to you?
No. What are you doing?
I'm dancing.
You are?
Yes.
I thought you was having a fit.
How dare you? You're supposed to look at me. Why would you think that? Why would you think I was having a fit? Well, look at.
Show them your tie-dye shirt.
I have a tie-dye shirt now.
You made the tie-dye shirt.
Yes, I have a tie-dye shirt.
So weird. Alright. Now I'm finna cook dinner.
What?
Mom, do you want?
Maybe we should.
What?
We should wait until it's like really close to Christmas.
But the blocks is for 25 days and we're already late.
I don't care.
Mom. If that had been me and her age, I would have got. You're allergic to the world, so I'm making chili. These are my cups and I'm gonna have to sip from because I'm having surgery.
Mom, have some beans?
Can you get out my way? Move.
No, I won't.
So what I do is I use like these turkey sausages, and then I take the sausages and I put them in a grinder. Move.
Excuse me, why are you being so rude?
My Majesty.
Your Majesty, you mean?
You're the queen.
My Majesty.
All right.
Mommy's the queen.
Uno, dos, tres.
Chile.
Homemade chili.
What is that?
And then this is like mystery food. I'm not gonna tell them what it is until after they taste it.
Okay, I'm about to taste it then.
And then we're gonna do. Can you see? We're gonna do our blocks today, or whatever. But oh shit.
Dang.
So we got some chili here and some cheese in it. You know what I'm saying?
No, Papa.
It's hot.
Give me the hot sauce. It's spicy.
No, it's just hot. Yeah, because it's just spicy. No, it's just hot.
Mystery food.
It looks so weird.
It look weird.
No.
What it smell like?
I don't know. I can smell it.
I smell barbecue. Y'all don't smell barbecue sauce?
Okay, I'm gonna taste this first.
So yeah, you gonna taste this first?
Wait a second. You said that you smell barbecue sauce. Did you put barbecue on it?
We don't got no barbecue.
Okay, so I'll tell y'all this bread is like some messed up tortillas I made. So, but I know how to make tortillas now. Now I know how to do it.
I can tell they're messed up.
This is gut roasted.
Sorry.
Anybody want some kids for free?
No, it no.
Okay. Okay, go ahead.
I'm gonna take a piece of it.
Okay.
This just flopped right off.
It did.
Oh my god. How much?
Taste it. Taste it.
So I'm gonna taste this now.
Okay, go ahead, taste it.
It's so when you bite into it, it's soft, but then it crunch. You can hear that little crunch, and it crunches like a cracker. It tastes good.
Now the other side's mine. Thank you.
It is good, man. It would be good with this
It
chili.
is good with the chili.
Oh my god.
It's good.
Mmm. Mmm.
No, turkey for dial.
Wow.
It's like it tastes like a soft cracker. Does that make sense?
It's a soft cracker, and then you give it.
I still have to like.
Okay, so this is what it looks like up close. I'll tell y'all what it is after the fact. So smell it. Like, come on, y'all.
Okay,
Sorry, put the biscuit thing down.
Good.
it smells like barbecue. What did
Smells like barbecue. Okay.
put my fingers on it.
Come on. Okay, child. Ain't nobody gonna touch it. Gotta taste the part with this on it. Ready?
No.
Ready? 1, 2. Okay.
Wait. Don't care about 1, 2, 3. She in it now.
Oh my god!
Is it good?
It's good! Look at it. Ow.
I just like a bit of barbecue sauce though.
Me too. And then there's a little sweet spark.
Mm.
I'm gonna taste this part of this.
Okay. So you can taste the barbecue.
You put barbecue in it?
Okay. It's really sour. Yeah. It's dessert. It's like, it's more fondue dip. So
And Oreo is sweet.
it's heavy whipping cream. The milk heavy whipping cream.
Where you can have it.
Hot chocolate mix. And marshmallow.
It's a meal looking for.
Alright.
When I put my
And
stuff.
so are my glasses because I have to read.
Well, you don't need to read
I
that.
have to read.
I'm going to be
Instructions.
careful.
Chocolate bowl and liquid.
You're going to record me, I'm going to record you.
Okay, so this is a Christmas craft countdown blocks. It was $5.99, and I think I got it from Five Below.
That's really cheap.
I think I got it from Five Below. And the kit includes 3 blocks, 2 numerical sticker sheets, and 19 assorted stickers. And this is the back.
Don't mind me, I'm just putting up the bowl.
Yeah, now bringing the bowl of our dessert.
Finish? Okay, so who's gonna go first?
So here's the blocks. Here's
That's
one,
where the day goes.
and then here are the 2.
I've been ready for this day for
Okay, so like this whole process probably took us about 30 minutes. It shouldn't have took that long, but it did. So I'm fast forwarding through everything. The girls did the small blocks and I did the big block. And then it was stickers, and I don't know, for whatever reason I thought it was paint, and it wasn't paint. It was stickers, and the stickers were like dumb hard to get off, but of course we got it.
Hola, my cha-cha.
Okay, so we're finished. And here's the finished product.
Y'all can
So you
already
got
tell which one's
your
mine.
days one.
All the days.
Then you got your numbers ones. And being that today is the 5th, we have 20 days until Christmas. Oh shit.
Don't break it.
Alright, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and